see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean.
Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 18 Mustang GT and my 2008 BMW 335i. So for today's video, I'm really excited because look what we got. Yes, sir. Mickey Thompson ET Street SS for the 5.0. I'm really excited because I've wanted these tires really bad, and they never seem to stay in stock on American Muscle for some reason. But shout out to LMR. They were in stock and got them shipped out to me in a couple days. I think it took like 2 or 3 days for me to get them. But yeah, right now I'm headed over to the tire shop. We're gonna put them on, and then we're gonna go for a drive, do some pulls for you guys, because right now I'm on the Nito like NT555s or something like that, and those tires are trash. They don't hook at all, like at all. Second gear pulls, like this shit just spins everywhere. So yeah, finally excited to get those put on. Look how nice they look. But yeah, guys, I'll pick up the camera once I pull up to the tire shop. See you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, look how good these tires look. Perfect fitment. Ooh, look at that angle right here, the way the tire pops off right there. Ooh, that looks sick. Yeah, you see it. Mickey Thompson 305/35/19s. No rubbing. I'm on Steeda progressive lowering springs. No rubbing. Look at that. So yeah, right now we're gonna go ahead and do some pulls. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on and show you guys, like, it doesn't spin at all. I can finally do pulls with traction control off, you know, because it's no longer sketchy. Before with the Nitos, the whole back end would just be all like sideways, went under full throttle. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw you guys on the GoPro. All right, let's get a little second gear pull right here for you guys. Just straight hooked. I couldn't do that on my old setup at all with the Nitos. Those things are trash. If you guys are looking into some tires for you know, you could put these on your performance pack wheels. I think they make like 285s or 275, something like that. But yeah, so they'll fit the performance pack wheels. You can also, obviously, if you've got like race stars or the VMS wheels, you can put these on there. And like I said, I like them because it's not like a track dedicated tire. It's just kind of more for the street, but you could take it on the track as well. And it's supposed to last a little bit longer than those tires, like the ones that are meant specifically for the track. But yeah, it hooks a lot better now. I'll try and get a first gear pull right now for you guys. Just gotta find a better spot. But yeah, I would definitely recommend these tires for anybody, you know, that's having trouble hooking. Definitely worth the money. I think I paid about $7 something, almost $800 for them. Definitely worth the money. All right, so little first gear pull here for you guys with traction control off. straight hooking. So yeah guys, pretty much just wanted to show you guys the new tires, do kind of a little review, but yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff, and let me know down in the comments what other tires you guys recommend besides the Mickey Thompson ET Street SS that you guys have had a good experience with hooking. But yeah guys, like I said, that's pretty much gonna be it for the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
I'm on ocean with a bad hoe, top down, she got fluid out on the backseat with a stendo, smoking endo, my jewels out.